Today, we will be showing you the difference between the 2023 Overland bed rack and the new 2024 Overland bed rack. The 2023 bed rack uses 2x2 load bars, which are strong, but they are not very compatible with most rooftop tent mounting brackets. The 2024 bed rack uses 3x1.5 load bars, which are still strong and they will work with all rooftop tent mounting brackets. The rack's footprint is the most significant difference between the 2024 bed rack and the 2023 bed rack. You can see here how much wider the rack is, and it can extend even further for trucks with longer beds. A new option in the 2024 bed rack is the bed-facing rock light brackets to illuminate the inside of your bed. This is convenient for daily use or at camp when it's dark out. This second-gen Tundra has a 6-foot bed, and you can see how much of the bed it covers. Now, comparing it to this third-gen Tundra, which has a 5-foot bed, you can see how much smaller the 2023 bed rack is. You guys asked for a bed rack that covers more of the bed, and we delivered it. Get yours today at upTOPoverland.com.